Based on today's price action, let's see what we can expect from market in tomorrow's trading session. Whether we can expect a bullish momentum or bearish momentum, let's see that in details. I'm going to add what we planned and what happened at the end of the video. First, let's mark the important levels and create our trading plan for tomorrow's trading session. I'm going to remove these levels, readjust these levels based on today's price action. I'm going to remove this level and I'm going to remove this level. We can readjust this level like this, and I'm going to remove this level. I'm going to remove this level. See, I'm going to remove this level as well. Okay, there is a resistance zone here as per today's price action, and there is a support zone around this point, and there is a one more resistance zone around this point and one more support zone around this point. These are the levels based on today's price action, and let's create our trading plan for tomorrow's trading session. And let's see what is the trend by going to higher time frame analysis, and I will review the trend when we go to higher time frame analysis, daily time frame analysis. Let's create our plan. If Nifty opens inside this range, look for a consolidation initial range, and whichever side it's going to break, on the upside or on the downside, you can take the trade. Wait for this level to break, or if the initial range is tight, if it consolidates of 1 or 2 hours in a range and break out, you can take the trade and look how it is reacting around this level. If it's going to break out this level, you can look for this as a first target and this as a second target. These are the two targets, because it is easy to touch this point if this level is going to break, and this is a previous day's level. And based on today's price action, I am not expecting it is going to break these levels. And if it breaks on this lower side, this should be your first target, and this is going to be a smaller target, and next target is going to be this level, and this is a third target. From this breakout point 25,100 to 25,000 or 24,980. It is going to be 100-120 points. You can easily capture 100 points because today's move is a bearish move. You can easily capture 100 points if it's going to break on the downside. If it's going to open a gap down below this level, wait for a pullback towards this level or towards the closing price and take the trade in the reversal. Then day's low is going to be your first target. If the day's low is around here or around here, it is going to be your first target. Next level is going to be your second target, and this level is going to be your third target. And if there is any reversal from this second level point, if there is any green candle, you can book the profit around this level. That should be the plan. And if it opens a gap down below this level, it is going to be extremely bearish scenario. You can enter the trade in a breakout momentum, and if it's going to open a gap down below this level, you can expect easily 100 points move from your entry point or from the breakout point, and or else you can mark these levels as target 1 and target 2 if it opens below this level. And I am not expecting a gap up above this level, but anything is possible. If it opens a gap up above this level, wait for a pullback towards this level or towards this level. In the reversal, take the trade. Day's high is going to be your first target, and next level is going to be your second target. And from 25 to 20, I am rounding it to 220 to 25,300. It is going to be 80 points, 75 to 80 points. You can even exit if it touches 25,275 or 280 level. You can book the profit and exit out of the market if you are able to catch this move if it opens on the higher side. And let's see what is going to happen and what is the trend by going to daily time frame. Okay, let me hide these drawings. Yesterday we planned Nifty consolidated inside a range. If it's going to break on the upside, we can see bullish momentum, and if it breaks on the lower side, we can see bearish momentum. But what happened today is it broke on the higher side, and based on our analysis and our plan, there are no trades for us to take the trades on the bullish side, and there are multiple trades on the bearish side. Today's candle closed as a red candle, and it closed below yesterday's low level. Next important level is going to be this level, and based on today's price action, tomorrow's view is bearish, and it can close as an inside candle as well, because it is not able to break this low and it is not able to break this high. It may consolidate in the ranges, and based on our planning and our levels, you can trade even if it sustains inside these ranges, inside these two ranges. You can trade based on our levels. Okay, now let's review what we planned and what happened. Yesterday we planned if it's going to open a gap up above this level or above this level, we should look for a buying opportunity around this level or around the closing price, and there is no pullback after this dip. There is no reversal. It is forming continuously red candles, so there is no opportunity for us to take the trade. And we planned if this level is going to break, you can take the trade. There is an opportunity to take the trade for this target and for this target. And one more thing we discussed, this level respected multiple times, and also the previous trading sessions. Let's zoom out and see. once again. It acted as a support level multiple times. So if it's going to test this level, we planned after touching this level, if it's going to bounce, you should book the profit. That's what we planned. And this is the area to exit the trade, whether in a profit or loss after taking the entry. Here is the place to cut the trade, either in a small profit or small loss. And then after that, this pullback, there is an opportunity. It rejected exactly from the closing price and it closed below this level. Anyone who is looking for the opportunity can take the trade here. First target and a second target. It achieved easily. This trade worked out easily, and today's price action respected these levels. This level is respected. There is a breakdown, pullback, respected, and after that breakdown, pullback, rejected from this level, respected. And anyone looking for another opportunity, they can take the trade here after candle rejection from this point. And the next 5 minutes candle is a big candle. It broke this level, and the next target also easily achieved. 2 targets achieved. 2 trades worked out. These 2 trades. If you are using these levels effectively, you can capture these 2 levels. These are the 2 trades, and this initial trade failed as per our plan, and there is no buying position as per the market momentum. There are no signals for us to take the trade in this move. That's all. This is what happened. As per our yesterday's plan, it is easy to capture these 2 trades. These are easy trades to capture, this trade and this trade. Let me know in comment section whether you are able to see these trades or identify these trades. And the trend is bearish based on the initial move, gap up opening and breaking this level. The trend is bearish. You should identify the trend. You should be easily identify the trend as per these levels. That's my plan for tomorrow's trading session. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.